Good morning, second hour. It's time for math. Okay, remember, first we are going to start with days of the week. We've already done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today we're going to do Friday. So what I need you to do is I need you to trace the letters for Friday. It's a big F, R-I-D-A-Y, and then I need you to write them as neat as you know how at the bottom here. Okay, the boxes are shaped to the size of the letter to help you out. But please remember, we always do our best writing, because that's how we communicate with other people, and that's how they know what we're trying to say. And then there's a picture in the middle that if you want to, you can color. Okay? All right. Then today in our packet, okay, remember you have your hundreds chart, right? And I hope everybody is practicing counting. Remember, I have a video that's counting, and we go over counting to 100 by ones and by tens and by fives. And then we also practice the months of the year and the days of the week. So, but I included this so that you guys could use it in your work. And today we are on page 13B. And the first thing on 13B is they have, on this side, they have some numbers in pentagons. Okay. Anyway, what they want you to do in this first column is put down the number that comes next. So here we have 26. And if I look on here, if I can't think off the top of my head what comes after 26, then I can look on here and I can find the 20s are in this row, and then I find there's 26, and after 26 is 27. And that's what I'm going to write right next to 26. Okay, then in the middle, they have some numbers. They have 35 blank 37. And they want you to write the number that goes in between 35 and 37. So when I'm looking on my hundreds chart, if I find 35, the 30s are here, there's 35, and there's 36, and there's 37. So 36 goes in between those. But I also know when I count, okay, remember the pattern when we count? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have our teens. Okay, well, we go with 11, 12. Remember, these all start with a 1, and then they have the same number as the row above. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And then all the other rows are kind of like that too. The 20s, we have 2 at the beginning of all of them until the end. Okay, so we have 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay, see how the pattern goes? And it goes with all the numbers all the way. So now, one less. Now what they want, okay, now this number is 1 less than what? So in other words, what comes before 23? So when I count, so I know it's going to be in the 20s, and when I count, let's see, 23, if I count backwards, I'm going to have 22. So that's going to be a 2, 2. And if I look on here, 23, the number before is 22. Okay, and that's how we're going to do this page. Okay, we're going to fill in all of this, and if we need to, we'll use our hundreds chart, and if we don't need to, that's great. Okay, all right, then we have one other page. We're going to do page 8, and just like before, we're going to add these up, and we're going to count our dots. Okay, so 2 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 goes underneath. And I'm going to skip around. Let's see. 7 plus 5. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I remember 12 is a 1 and a 2. And the 2 goes right underneath the 7 and the 5, and the 1 goes on the left side. Okay? And that's how we do this page. Remember, we've been doing a lot of these. Okay. And that's our assignment for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye-bye.